Could have been a painter, could have studied law. Instead you were my paintbrush, you're my curriculum. Could have been.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going swimming. I've got a feeling this could be the last swim of the season.
We've got October was last year.
Okay, I've finally got Dad's GoPro ready and hopefully I'm going to get some really cool shots. Ooh, but yeah, I'm literally just going down to the beach and thought I'd take you with me. No, I haven't. Oh, lush is this weather in September. Absolutely stunning. Look at my eyes. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Anyway.
And she sat like that. She didn't have a...
It's feeling a bit nippy, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah.
It looks a bit choppy.
Instead I drive for miles just to get to where you are.
Oh, there's other people in there, so maybe we'll give it a go. Oh.
The square thought about you in the shower. I played to watch you stand.
Really freezing, and there's barely anyone down here. Probably my worst idea this year to swim in the sea today. And there's a lot of seaweed, so there's no one in there.
You know what I mean?
So I had planned to sit down and just warm up for 10 minutes, but Mum is such an eager beaver. Mum, wait for me! Look, off she goes.
You're my curriculum. Could have been a sailor, could have been an astronaut. Instead I drive for miles just to get to where you are. I saw you out in Leicester Square, thought about you in the shower. I paid to watch you stand up there and gave you all the power. You say she's a work of art. You pick her up from school, but she blows you off. Don't you know
Baby. We're on our way home now, but I hope you like this video, so please like and subscribe.
could have been a painter, could have studied